When the bodybuilding world thought it had seen it all, when the stage was already dominated by freaks of nature like Big Ramy, Nick Walker, and Hadi Choopan, suddenly, from the shadows, a colossal force emerged that left even the veterans speechless. His name, Rubiel Mosquera. A man so shocking, so terrifyingly massive, that fans instantly nicknamed him NECKZILLA. And believe me, that name is no exaggeration. Rubiel's neck alone looks like it belongs to a creature from another planet. His traps explode like mountains, and his sheer size makes him look unreal, as if some genetic code was rewritten to produce something beyond ordinary human evolution. The bodybuilding world didn't just notice him. They were stunned, shocked, and even scared. Because Rubiel Mosquera isn't just another competitor. He is a living mutation of power, density, and freakish muscle mass. A freak that bodybuilding never expected. Rubiel didn't come to the stage to play safe. He came to destroy the definition of normal physique standards. At his first appearances, fans couldn't believe what they were seeing. His size was so overwhelming that many asked, is this guy even real, or is he CGI brought to life? Think about it. His arms are like cannons, his delts block out the light, and his legs are like massive tree trunks, ready to crush any stage he steps on. The man doesn't just walk on stage. He invades it like a monster unleashed from a cage. The most shocking part, Rubiel is still on the rise. This isn't even his final form. If his progress continues, he could become one of the most frighteningly dominant forces in bodybuilding history. The fear factor. Other competitors admit it. Rubiel is a nightmare to stand next to. Imagine being in the lineup, giving your 100%, and then seeing NECKZILLA towering with that impossible density and size. Judges can't ignore it. Fans can't stop talking about it. Social media explodes every time his physique appears. His presence creates chaos. He makes even seasoned pros look small, fragile, and incomplete. That's the true power of Rubiel Mosquera. He doesn't just compete, he terrifies his rivals into doubt. Mr. Olympia 2025. The wild card beast. Here's where things get shocking. Rubiel isn't just here to participate in Mr. Olympia 2025. No, he's coming as the dark horse, the unpredictable beast who could throw the entire lineup into chaos. What happens if Rubiel steps on stage, sharper, fuller, and freakier than ever? What if his conditioning matches his size? Fans whisper the unthinkable. Rubiel Mosquera could actually dethrone the most elite champions in the world. Imagine Derek Lunsford standing proud, Hadi Choopan flexing with confidence, Nick Walker ready to fight, and then Rubiel walks out, eclipsing everyone with his sheer mass and freak factor. The crowd roars, the judges hesitate, and the entire Olympia shifts in that instant. Could it happen? Bodybuilding fans are split, but one thing is undeniable. Rubiel Mosquera has the power to shock Olympia 2025 like never before. The unique monster. What makes Rubiel truly unique isn't just his muscles. It's the raw, unapologetic freakiness that no one else has. Every champion has their strength. Derek has balance. Hattie has density. Samson has aesthetics. But Rubiel, he has something terrifying.